Seeing the enlargement of the European Union as the chance that it is, and explaining that to the citizens of the European Union, and not only to the citizens of the Western Balkans, because we are already believers. We are already, most of us, doing what is needed so to fit in what the European Union is, and to fit in the bureaucracy of the European Union as well, not only in the legislation. But to convince the citizens of the European Union that having the Western Balkans, having Ukraine, having Moldova as part of the European Union will make European Union stronger, and that this is not the threat and the empty talk of politicians, which sounds nice. This will be the true challenge, because I'm really convinced that citizens, maybe in the Baltic states, in Poland, are not that sure that countries that do still till today support Russia and Russia's aggression are able to join the European Union. So I believe that what I would wish our partners in the European Union to do is to have the courage to restart and to correct the old positions and to stop trying to bend the reality to the papers that they have, but to look on the reality, to accept the new realities in our region, and so to be able not only to convince the politicians in the Western Balkans to do what is needed, but to convince and to take the people in Western Europe with us and in Eastern Europe with us, so that the support for the enlargement is high. Otherwise, we will have the far rights and far lefts who are against us. And when I say against us, I mean against the Democrats in the Western Balkans and in the European Union. We will have them, we will see them strengthening, and we will see how they will win for a certain time the race, and we will talk more about security and less about integration of our region in the Western Europe. It's still in our hands. We can do a lot to achieve that, but we need to start to be real and not to run after empty promises that has waited not only 20 years to start to be rediscussed, but I'm afraid that the time that the Western Balkan will need until it becomes part of the European Union will be a very long one.